Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you 4 easy, simple, and affordable DIY projects for Christmas. So if you like these type of videos, just keep on watching. So my first project, I just pretty much just took these mugs. They were just like a dark brown or black, and I just painted it with white chalk paint. And I know what you're thinking. You probably could have just bought one. However, I couldn't really find just solid white mugs. And on top of that, I really didn't want to spend more money because, you girl gotta save a little bit of money. So what I did is just took some coffee mugs from my pantry because I didn't use these and my boyfriend doesn't use these. So I decided just to take these, paint it all white, and then yeah guys, you will see a major fail here. I was really trying to write on with paint hot cocoa, and I have the worst handwriting. I don't know why I thought this was going to come out, but obviously you see me here trying to write hot cocoa. Eventually I do not like it, and I repaint it white again. Okay, so I got these stickers from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was like $2 after the discount that I had for 40% off. But I decided for one mug that spelled out hot cocoa, and then the other mug was candy canes. And then you guys will see me here shortly putting Mod Podge all over the stickers so they won't fall out, because sometimes stickers don't stick like they're supposed to. So that's what I just put some Mod Podge over it, and honestly guys, I think it came out pretty cute. And I also put like a little red ring on top of the actual mug. You guys will see it soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my very first DIY. I don't know, guys. I thought these were cute, super adorable. When you guys see my decorating for my kitchen, you guys will see how I displayed it. So my second DIY is my absolute favorite, and I decided to do a reef, and I'm actually going to put that reef on top of this board that I painted white. This board came from Michael's. I believe it was $2.99, and I got it last year, and I didn't know what to do with it, so I just kept it in my closet. And then when I started thinking about this project, I got so excited because I didn't have to really spend any money on this part. I mean, I spent money last year for it, but that was last year. So technically this part was free because I already had the paint and I already had this board. Anyways, so I ended up just painting it all white so it could fit my theme of my decor. So with this wreath, which I also got at Michael's for $2.99, I just ended up painting right all over it to give it like a little snowy effect, so it could be like more winter wonderland vibes. But I ended up just doing that real quick, and those florals and those Christmas balls are from the Dollar Tree, so it came out, I think, pretty affordable. And you just see me here just breaking all the flowers apart and just rearranging it all over the wreath, as well as these Christmas balls. Obviously you see here the struggle trying to get these balls out. These little package was really hard. But anyways, this potpourri that I got from Burlington, I realized that it had a cute little Noel sign in there, and then they had little cute little pine cones. How adorable. I ended up using those just to give it more of a pop to this wreath. And since I wasn't originally doing my joy sign, I thought the Noel little sign came out super perfect on this wreath. And obviously I just hot glued everything all together, just rearranged it, make sure it was very nice and pretty. And guys, this came out, I think, I'm not trying to be like toot my own horn, but this came out super cute. I am in love with this project, and when it's on top of the board, oh, so gorgeous. I did pretty good in this one, I think. How pretty was that reef? Y'all, you really know. It was cute. You don't lie, it was cute. I'm just saying. But I just ended up using some hot glue gun just to stick it on the board. And I could have used E6000 or is it E6000 or E600? I don't know, y'all, but I ain't got it. So I use hot glue gun. How cute! Y'all know how pretty and excited I was for this project. So on to my third project, which I guess it is a DIY, but I wanted to do a little miniature Christmas tree. And with this ribbon, I guess the best thing I could explain it with is that you just shape it as a cancer ribbon first, and then squeeze the middle, and then just tie it up, and then voila, you have a little cute little bow that you could put on your Christmas tree. And this Christmas tree came from Target, and it was just solid green. So what I did, just like the reef, I just took some chalk paint and just quickly painted it, let it dry, and there you go, like a little frosted flocked Christmas tree. And this came out so cute. I made like a little, you guys could see, look at the little cute little ribbon, and I just put like it down the tree. It kind of looks like my tree in a way, but not really. It's like a miniature version of my tree, kind of less ornaments. Anyways, I got these lights from Michael's, I believe, and then these Christmas balls from Target, and I just did what I gotta do. That's as simple as it gets, guys. That's, I guess this is a DIY. I think it is. I mean, come on now. How cute is this? Well, not yet. Let me decorate it first, girl. I mean, come on now. It's so cute. But yeah, that is it for my third project. Uh, it's so cute. I just can't get over the projects I've done. I think this is like my best DIYs yet. I am not gonna lie. Okay, guys, for my last project, I wanted to do some Christmas gifts that were nice, cute, little fancy, adorable. So what I did was get some leftover ribbon and some, wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree, just solid white. It could be any type of, gift wrapped, anything you want. But I just wanted solid white since that's what my theme was, and some random boxes, any sizes. Tried to get boxes that are different sizes. That way you have like different varieties and different like shapes and sizes, to make it nice and fancy. But anyways, just like a regular Christmas present, you just wrap it up all regular. So once you get that all done, you just use some ribbon and just wrap it around the boxes. And I just hot glue it together, and then you do it on one side and then you'll do it on the other side. I use different, what are those called? Ribbons for each box just to keep it a little bit of a variety. I got these picks that has like cherries on it. What are those called, guys? Do you guys know what those little red things called? But they have pine cones and a little greenery on top of it, and I just hot glued it right on top of the box, and voila, that's pretty much it for this project. And I ended up using a floral because I didn't want that little stem thing right there just sticking out, so I just added a floral right on top of it, and then there you go. That's it. That's all. It's, anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed these projects because I know I did, and hopefully you guys could do them yourselves. I think they were pretty adorable and affordable. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh yeah, remember to subscribe.